This is the Core 2 Quad. All right, for you guys not realizing that it is. Okay, there's the GTX 980 Ti, and let's go down to the CPUs, or the processor, I should say, and there it is. This has 8 gigs of memory. We're running Windows 10. Okay, 8 gigs of memory. And we have an Evo 850 for the solid-state drive. So we're trying to give it as much power and oomph as possible. But believe it or not, you're going to be extremely shocked when you see this, because I certainly was, and I'm not. The only reason why I'm creating this video is because I can't believe it that it actually freaking works. And we're going to host our own, and we're actually going to be running a new map called Extinction. And I find this to be really freaking cool. I'm running at 1680 by 1050 because, believe it or not, it doesn't have enough video memory. This is a lot more sophisticated, a lot more different than the old version of Arc, and it's very complex. So I want to show you as much as I can. There's some new creatures in here. I have no idea what that. These two things are harmless to me, but that big creature there, I'm not really sure what he is. I don't have any weaponry to investigate. So I really can't do all that much of horsing around. But I just recently upgraded everything here to wood. I was thinking about, but I just want to show you. So I just hit 41 frames a second. I mean, granted, there's nothing going on in my room here, but I can't roam around. I have no idea what that is. I don't want to die. I don't even have a bed yet. Okay, so I can't even. I have to kill something, and I have to. You know what? But I don't want to make this. I don't want to make this video all that long. So I just want to show you that it actually is workable. It's working. So let's just show you what. I have it at 1680 by 1050. Anything bigger, it actually crashes. It says I ran out of video memory. Remember, the 980 Ti only has 6 gigs of memory. When I say only, the 1060, the 1080, the 1060, the 1080, the 1070, they all have 8 gigs of memory. The RX 580 has 8 gigs of memory. So having 6 is kind of, hurting this. I mean, I could probably increase this to epic maybe in terms of the graphic quality, but now it actually shows you what, low is a GTX 660, medium is a GTX 770, GTX 970, and epic is a Titan X. Obviously, if you have a GTX 1080 Ti or a 1080, you can hit epic as well. I ran epic with no problem whatsoever on the other games, but maybe this one is different, but it's still impressive. Actually, we don't even need no motion blur. We could turn that off. We could turn that on. So there are a couple of things that we could probably get away with. Let's resume and see if it changes anything. But it is impressive that it is actually playable, which is shocking. Oh, there's that freaking thing. I have no idea what that is. It scares the crap out of me. And now I can't really roam around. So I could just play all day on this, and this will be extremely boring to some people. But the whole point of it, look at that. I hit 50 frames a second that last second ago. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.